First, we open the driver's side door. Right where you see the steering, underneath the steering is a hood latch that needs to be pulled out. Once the latch is pulled, you would notice the hood losing its grip. Right where the logo is, on top of the logo, there is that lever that needs to be turned towards the right side completely, and then we need to lift up the hood. This is that lever that I was talking about that needs to be turned towards the right side, and then we lift up the hood. While holding the hood, we gently take the support bar and then place it in that hole right there. Once the hood is opened, right where the engine is, underneath the engine is the location for engine air filter. And notice it has two brackets, one bracket right here and the other bracket right there. So what we'll have to do is press both of these brackets down. There's one bracket right there and there's the other bracket right here. Once both the brackets are pulled down, now what we will do is we'll grab the top cover and then slightly lift it upwards. Make sure you are completely lifting up the top cover. There it is. That is how we pull out the top cover. And there's our engine air filter right there. It has a little tight spot, so we'll have to punch in our fingers from here. Then we will grab it from this side and then pull the filter outwards. There it is. That is how we take out the engine air filter for this vehicle. In my case, the filter is good, so I'll be installing it back. But in your case, if you have a new filter and you want to install it back, just make sure that this plastic tab right here stays at the bottom and the other side, which is curved right there, stays at the top. Now we'll go ahead and punch in the filter back where we took it out from. We make sure the cover is lifted upside completely. We slide in the filter all the way in, just like that, making sure it is sitting there properly from all over the edges, and it seems like it is sitting in, which is perfectly fine. Now we'll go ahead and punch in the top cover. There is a trick in installing the top cover, which we will show you in a bit. Notice from the other side, you might come across a situation where the top cover is stuck here. So all you have to do is just grab the top cover from the top and then just slide it in. There it is. Once it's slided in, we'll just push it down. Notice from behind, there is actually that tab position right there. I'm not too sure if you could see it properly. Similar to that position, top cover also has a tab. We'll have to slide in that position in that tab right there. So we'll just go ahead and slide it in. Just like that. That side is in. Similar way we'll have to do on the other side. Notice there's that position right there. We'll have to make sure we slide in that tab in that position. Just like that. So the bottom and the top, both of them are completely in. Once both of them are completely in, now we'll go ahead and punch in the top two brackets at the front. Sometimes you notice the bracket which is outside visible right here. In the other case, it just might go underneath, so we'll just have to pull it outwards. There it is. We pull it out. We press down the top cover like that, and then we make sure it is completely down. Now we'll go ahead and punch in this bracket. First bracket is in. Then we punch in the second bracket. Both brackets in. Notice the top cover is also not coming out anymore. With that, we are done with the replacement of engine air filter for this car. Now suppose you want to close the hood back. Just lift the hood upwards and then take out the support bar. We put it back to its place. Lower the hood up until the middle. Now to close the hood properly, we will leave the hood from the middle with a slight push. If it still does not close the way we did, then you may have to push it from the top until it closes completely. If this video helps you in any way, please consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel.